Matthew James Vogel is an American puppeteer and director. Vogel has worked for Sesame Workshop and the Muppets Studio. He has performed for the Muppets, Sesame Street, and Oobi. He has been the performer for Kermit the Frog since 2017. Vogel first auditioned for the Jim Henson Company in 1993 and joined the crew of Sesame Street in 1996 as an ensemble puppeteer. He has served as a director and puppet captain on Sesame Street since 2008. He inherited many of Jerry Nelson's Muppet character roles in 2008 when he began performing with the Muppets Studio. Since 2017, he has been the performer of Kermit the Frog. With the Muppets, Vogel is one of the principal cast performers with the roles of Kermit, Floyd Pepper, Uncle Deadly, Lou Zealand, Crazy Harry, Robin the Frog, Sweetums, Camilla the Chicken, Dr. Julius Strangaperk, Pops, 80s Robot and Constantine under his tutelage. On Sesame Street, Vogel is the performer of Big Bird, Count Von Count and Mr. Johnson as well as Biff, Herb the Dinosaur, Hansel, Forgetful Jones, Sherlock Hemlock and one of the Yup Yup Martians. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.